welcome. My name is Diana. I run All Things Laser Earrings. I love to share tips and tricks on how to make really beautiful and unique earrings with your laser machine. And I also like to help with the business side a lot. And while we're in this crazy holiday period, I really wanted to just share a bunch of tricks with time saving and to help you with making the best, most unique earrings possible. And today really wanted to talk a little bit about reverse engraving. It is an amazing way to save so much time and make these beautiful earrings and ornaments. This file also has like a 3-inch version. Mirror is so hard to film and to take photos of. This does not do it justice, but these are beautiful. And basically all you are doing is you are reverse engraving your design. So this works with engraved files, like files that have an engraved artwork to them. And they need to be a certain thickness. Like score designs will not work on this. But this isn't that thick and it still works so well. And what you do is that you are removing this gray area which creates the mirror, and it just creates a very clear and crisp definition, like a design on your earring, and you don't have to paint fill. So it is amazing. Like for all of you that hate paint filling acrylic, which can be really hard at times, I admit, it's something that like sometimes you think you have it done and it just stumps you. This is a great way to have really beautiful designs on earrings or on ornaments. These are beautiful on a tree. Without having to paint fill. So it works on mirror and it works on iridescent too. And you're just basically removing that layer that creates the mirror or the iridescent. So the only thing you have to remember, so you have to remember a couple of things. One is if it is not a symmetrical design, you have to mirror your design on your design software, be it LightBurn or Xtool or the Glowforge software. So make sure if it is not a symmetrical design on both sides. This one is symmetrical. This one's symmetrical. This one is not symmetrical. Make sure you mirror it on your design software so that you get the correct design, especially if you're putting people's names. Oh my goodness, or else you're gonna end up with in the wrong direction. So do that on your design software. Mirror the design if you have names or words of any kind, or if it's not a symmetrical design. And then on your laser machine, you basically engrave it with the gray part facing up. So you are just simply engraving it. You don't have to do anything else. I don't even mask it, anything. I just simply engrave. It is very quick and easy. It is such a fun way to make fun earrings, to create good special effects. Like I love doing all my disco balls. I do inverse engraved. It's a great way to create a disco ball effect. And I do it like if I want little, on my bows to just emphasize the bow. It's just a really fun, quick and easy way to make designs on earrings, as opposed to like these where I'm like inlaying and driving myself nuts. This is a crazy double inlay. This is a lot simpler. Just so you know, you can actually engrave on the clear side too. It's just a different kind. It has more of like a milky white look as opposed to like a clean, crisp, engraved look. So like these have been designed engraved on top of the mirror. These have been engraved on the gray side. So you can engrave on top. Also know that different colors have different effects. You can't see it as well on different mirrors. You can't see as well on the red or on blues, I have found, as you can on the silvers and on lighter mirrors tend to have this engraving effect be clearer than darker mirrors. So that is also good to know. Yeah, so this is a great way to create some fun vintage ornaments. I will share the file below. If you have any questions more on the process, if you need to see the whole process plus the laser, let me know. Ask in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Happy holidays. If you want to join a fun community, join me on Facebook, All Things Laser Earrings. I also have a monthly file and course club. which for a very reasonable fee, you get access to like at least 10 exclusive files a month for like exclusivity for a year, and you have access to all my courses. But once again, happy holidays, and thank